Okay, so this training is about how to make profit when selling oil perfumes. So that is my oil perfumes bottle. You can see I have like 4 bottles displayed there, and this is my ethanol. What is inside this 50 cl rubber is ethanol. Then these are my oil perfume bottles. Then what is inside here is the oil perfume. Now this little oil perfume here, as small as this is 1,000 naira. This oil perfume is called pink chiffon. Pink what? Chiffon. It's very little, but it's 1,000 naira. So I'm going to be showing you guys a way you can increase the quantity of this perfume, because if you want to actually make profit in this perfume, want to make more profit, you have to know how to increase the quantity of your oil perfume. You have to increase it in a way that it will not affect the outcome of your perfume. You don't increase it in a way that it will affect the outcome. The perfume has to be strong and it has to last. So while you are increasing it using another chemical, it should not affect the strength of the oil perfume and the way it lasts. So I'll be teaching you how to do this. So I want to show you how to increase your oil perfume at the same time by not affecting the strength and the lasting of your oil perfume. So these are my bottles. I have like 4 bottles here, and I want to see how many bottles that little oil perfume will fill. So each of these bottles that have perfume inside, once they are filled with perfume, they are sold for 1,000 naira. So if I should succeed in filling 4 of these bottles and I sell each of them 1,000 naira each, I have made 4,000 naira, because that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I should succeed in selling the 4 of them that has oil perfume for 1,000 naira each, I have made what? 4,000 naira. And how much did I buy the oil perfume? I got the oil perfume for 1,000 naira. Then these bottles here are actually 50 naira each. So let me just say I'm making a profit between 3,000 something or 2,000 something. So we are going to see how much we will make. So that's the oil perfume. One is 1,000 naira. We're going to pour that oil perfume into those 4 bottles. We want to see how many bottles will contain this oil perfume. This is 1,000 naira perfume. So the purpose of this video is to show you how to do what? Increase the quantity of your oil perfume in order to do what? Make more profit. Now, this oil perfume cannot be increased by the addition of water. You can't use water to increase this perfume. The moment you put water into oil perfume in order to increase the quantity, the water and the perfume itself will separate. Reason because in every oil perfume there is oil inside that oil perfume. Oil perfume is made with oil. So you put water to separate. So the only thing that will make this to increase this perfume without it separating from the solvent that you added is using what is called ethanol. You can use any alcohol. I'm going to be using ethanol in this demonstration. You can use ethanol, you can use methanol, you can use isopropyl alcohol. So in this our video, I'll be using ethanol to increase the quantity of this oil perfume. So just see how the trick is. Watch this video and learn how to actually do this successfully. If you can increase the quantity of this perfume without affecting the strength of your perfume, you will make more profit. You could have 2 extra bottles being filled with the perfume after you've increased it, instead of just having the regular number of bottles that were filled. You could have extra 2 bottles filled because you increased the quantity of your oil perfume by a little margin. So see how I'm going to increase this after I've turned them into my bottles. Like I said before, it's only alcohol that can increase this oil perfume. Don't try to use water. The moment you put water into oil perfume, the oil perfume and the water will separate. You will see the water floating under while the oil perfume will be floating up, because in every oil perfume there is oil inside that oil perfume. Oil perfumes are made with oil, so you can't use water to dilute this or to increase it. Water and oil don't mix. They cannot mix. Water and oil cannot do what? Mix. Now see how I'm going to pour this perfume into this bottle. See how I'll do it. Then you'll see the level I'm going to stop to add my ethanol to increase the quantity. So I will stop at that point. See the point I have stopped. Now see what I'm going to do with how I'm going to fill it up. So in this way I have extra perfume left. Instead of filling the whole bottle, I have extra perfume left. So I'll add ethanol to increase the quantity. You can see how it is. Like I said before, you can use any alcohol. You can use ethanol, you can use methanol, you can use isopropyl alcohol, any of them that you come in contact with. So I have poured my ethanol into this oil perfume and I've sealed it. And you can see the perfume doesn't look separated from the ethanol. They are all mixed together. And this way your customers won't know that you diluted it or you increased the quantity of your oil perfume. It still has the same smell, the same strength. The only difference is that it has been increased in order to make sure that you have extra oil perfume left. So you don't fill the whole bottle to the top. You just fill it to some point, then you add the remaining with any alcohol of your choice. And that is my pink chiffon oil perfume. So in this way you have extra oil perfume left. Now we have a problem here. I have mistakenly poured my oil perfume, so I'm not sure it's going to fill up to 4 bottles again. You can see my oil perfume poured, some poured on my table there, so I'm not sure this will fill up to 4 bottles again. So we have wasted our oil perfume, but at least I think I've been able to pass across the message on how to increase the quantity, because that was actually the purpose of this video, to show you how to increase the quantity of your oil perfume without affecting the strength or how it lasts. So I'm going to also add the my ethanol to increase the quantity of this oil perfume. You can see how simple and easy this is and how economical this is. It helps you to increase the quantity of your oil perfume, but at the same time not affecting the strength of the oil perfume. So you can see, if it was water you put inside here, the two mixture would have separated, because water and oil don't mix. But since I added ethanol, they have all blend. So you can, this is just how to increase the quantity of your oil perfume. This is actually a simple and easy demonstration video on how to increase the quantity of your oil perfume at home, so that you can make more profits in the selling of oil perfume. There is a lot of money in oil. People make a lot of money in selling oil perfumes. People make a lot of profits selling oil perfume. So if you know how to increase the quantity, that is extra bonus for you. If you know how to increase the quantity, then that is extra bonus for you. You have extra perfume left. If you follow this strategy I'm using, it's as easy as that. You will just be increasing your oil perfume without having problems with your customers. So thank you for watching this video. I expect you to implement this strategy when you are selling your oil perfume, so that you will have more oil perfume to fill other bottles and make extra income. Now this trick here can work with any oil perfume. It must not only be pink chiffon. If you use Sugar Baby, you can also increase the quantity using any alcohol. Even if you buy the Pure Seduction oil perfume, you can also increase the quantity using any alcohol of your choice. So don't just think that this works with only pink chiffon. No, it doesn't work with only pink chiffon. It works with all types of oil perfume. Any oil perfume you buy, you can increase the quantity with alcohol. You can either use ethanol or methanol or isopropyl alcohol. In this way, you have extra oil perfume left to fill other bottles and make more profit. So thank you for watching, and happy profit making in your business.